Welcome to question 35. We are to find the locus of 0.8 centimeters from a given point t, 0, 3. Now, if we are talking about locus of a point from a given point, we are referring to a circle. We are referring to the circle because if we have a point, this point is here, which is what, 8 centimeters away. It can be in any direction. So if I have my point here, 3, 0, 3, then I am having 8 centimeters away. It could be here, it could be here. So that will mean that I am looking for a circle where the center is going to be the 0, 3. Then the point 8 is here. Let's say point R is here. So I use R. Let me use point P and C at the center. The line from here will give you the 8 centimeter as the radius. So the radius is given, the center is given. To find the equation of any circle where the center and the radius are given, we use x minus a all squared y minus b all squared equals to r squared, where the a and b are the center. So a and b are the centers. The r is the radius. So by substitution, as you have x minus 0 as the first point, then plus y minus b, which is now what, 3 all squared equals to 8 squared. Remember, the 0 from here will have no effect on the x, so x will be squared. Then here become, you square the first one twice their product, so minus 6y, square the last, which is what, 9, equals to 64. So this become x squared, y squared, 6y equals to, this is going there as 64 minus what, 9. So x squared plus y squared minus 6y will now be equals to, let's take away 9 from there, 5 here away, 4 away, we are left with what, 5, so 55. So let's see which option will best be described by. I think that will be the option what, A. I guess clear? Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 36.